This is the most delicious burger that I have ever eaten.
Thanks a lot. Delicious!
Hank Hill.
Not interested. My God, Hank. Can we ever hoop? Take your food.
I'm doing it. I'm a mooner. I'm gonna kick your asses. Okay, let's clear the air. The governor did my bottom.
I kill you with an axe.
Bobby, what are you doing to that steak?
Is it so weird that I'm dating the governor?
A little bit. She does have nuts.
Man, that Phil Graham sure is a horse's ass.
There's soot under my boy's nails. Shut your mouth.
Hi, Bill.
Come on, Billy. Wake up.
I thought I saw a ghost or a horrible hobgoblin or...
How you doing, baby? Surprised?
Hey, Peggy. Just in time for a burger. I want you to choose, Peggy, right now. Which is better, charcoal or me? Well,
It is no contest. Burger is much better.
And I forgot to disinvite you.
Bill asked me to marry him.
No, but you said you wouldn't even tell me where you live.
Bill, stop wasting the governor's time with your nonsense.
I'm going to show Anne back to her car.
What are you doing in that woman's limo? Get out here right now and ask me to marry you.
You're in it. Blow her a kiss.